The opportunity in poultry. Across Africa, a quiet revolution is happening in agriculture. In villages, towns, and expanding cities, thousands of farmers are discovering a powerful business opportunity that starts with something surprisingly simple: raising broiler chickens. Chicken meat has become one of the most popular foods across the continent. Restaurants, street food vendors, supermarkets, and families all depend on a steady supply of poultry products. As populations grow and urban centers expand, the demand for chicken continues to rise. For many entrepreneurs, this growing demand has opened the door to a profitable agricultural venture known as broiler farming. But how exactly does someone start a broiler chicken farm? What steps are necessary to turn a small flock into a successful farming business? In this guide, we will explore everything beginners need to know about broiler farming in Africa, from selecting healthy chicks to building proper housing, managing feed, preventing disease, and growing a profitable farm. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to FirstPost Africa Farm. This channel shares practical knowledge about modern agriculture, agribusiness opportunities, and farming success stories across Africa. If you are passionate about farming or want to learn how agriculture can create income and opportunity, joining this community will help you stay informed and inspired. Now, let's begin our journey into the world of broiler farming. Understanding broiler farming. Broiler farming focuses on raising chickens specifically for meat production. Unlike other types of chickens raised primarily for eggs, broiler birds are bred to grow rapidly and reach market size within a short period of time. Because of this accelerated growth cycle, broiler farming allows farmers to produce multiple batches of chickens throughout the year. Each cycle usually lasts between 6 and 8 weeks from the arrival of day-old chicks to the moment the mature birds are ready for sale. This short production period is one reason many farmers choose broiler farming as their entry point into the poultry industry. Compared to other livestock enterprises, broilers require less time before generating income. Another advantage is flexibility. Farmers can start with a small number of birds and gradually increase production as they gain experience and access to better markets. Across Africa, broiler farms range from modest backyard operations to large commercial facilities supplying supermarkets and restaurants. Why broiler farming is profitable? Several factors make broiler farming an attractive business for beginners. First, chicken meat is widely consumed across many cultures and communities. Unlike some agricultural products that depend on seasonal demand, poultry remains popular year-round. Second, broilers grow extremely fast. With proper feeding and management, birds can reach market weight within weeks. This quick turnaround allows farmers to reinvest profits into new production cycles. Third, poultry products are relatively easy to sell. Local markets, hotels, restaurants, and food vendors constantly look for reliable suppliers. Finally, broiler farming does not always require large land areas. Many successful farmers operate efficiently within limited spaces, using well-organized housing systems. Because of these advantages, broiler farming has become one of the fastest-growing segments of agriculture in many African countries. Choosing the right broiler chicks. Every successful poultry farm begins with healthy birds. Selecting high-quality day-old chicks from a trusted hatchery is one of the most important decisions a farmer will make. Healthy chicks usually appear active, alert, and energetic. Their feathers should look clean and dry, and their eyes should appear bright. Buying birds from reliable hatcheries ensures they have received proper vaccinations and come from strong breeding lines designed for rapid growth. Poor quality chicks may grow slowly or develop health problems later, which can reduce farm productivity and increase costs. Experienced farmers often recommend building relationships with reputable suppliers who consistently provide strong, healthy birds. Building the right poultry house. A good poultry house protects broiler chickens from environmental stress and potential predators. Proper housing plays a major role in maintaining healthy flocks. One of the most important factors in poultry housing is ventilation. Fresh air circulation helps regulate temperature and remove moisture that can encourage disease. Adequate space is also essential. Overcrowding causes stress, aggressive behavior, and slower growth. Providing sufficient room allows birds to move comfortably while accessing food and water. The floor of the poultry house should remain dry and covered with bedding material, such as with shavings or straw. This bedding absorbs moisture and helps maintain hygienic conditions. The structure itself can be built using locally available materials, such as timber, wire mesh, or metal sheets. What matters most is ensuring the environment remains clean, safe, and comfortable for the birds. Regular cleaning of the poultry house greatly reduces the risk of infection spreading among the flock. Feeding broiler chickens. Nutrition forms the foundation of successful broiler farming. Chickens require balanced diets containing proteins, energy, vitamins, and minerals in order to grow quickly and remain healthy. Broiler feeding usually occurs in 3 stages. The first stage uses starter feed, designed specifically for young chicks. This feed supports early development and helps chicks grow strong during the first few weeks of life. The second stage involves grower feed. During this period, birds gain weight rapidly and require additional nutrients to support muscle development. The final stage uses finisher feed, which prepares birds for market weight before they are sold. Clean drinking water must remain available at all times. Hydration plays a critical role in maintaining healthy digestion and overall growth. Farmers who manage feeding carefully often see faster growth rates and stronger birds. Disease prevention and flock management. Keeping chickens healthy is essential for maintaining profitable production. Disease outbreaks can spread quickly among poultry if preventive measures are ignored. Vaccination programs protect broiler chickens from common poultry diseases. Following recommended vaccination schedules helps farmers maintain strong flocks. Hygiene also plays an important role in disease prevention. Cleaning feeders, drinkers, and housing areas reduces harmful bacteria. Limiting unnecessary visitors to poultry houses can prevent diseases from entering the farm through contaminated shoes or equipment. Farmers should observe their birds daily. Early detection of unusual behavior, reduced appetite, or signs of illness allows problems to be addressed before they spread. Healthy birds grow efficiently and reach market weight faster, which ultimately improves profitability. Common mistakes beginners should avoid. Many new farmers enter broiler farming with enthusiasm, but encounter challenges due to avoidable mistakes. One common error involves starting with too many birds before gaining experience. Managing a large flock without proper knowledge can lead to feeding mistakes, overcrowding, or poor hygiene practices. Another frequent problem occurs when farmers attempt to reduce feeding costs by using poor quality feed. Inadequate nutrition often leads to slow growth and weaker birds. Poor ventilation inside poultry houses can also create unhealthy conditions, increasing the risk of respiratory diseases. Finally, some beginners overlook record keeping. Tracking feed usage, bird growth, and mortality rates provides valuable information that helps farmers improve future production cycles. Learning from these experiences allows farmers to refine their management strategies over time. Growing a successful broiler farm. Once farmers gain confidence managing smaller flocks, they can gradually expand their operations, increasing the number of birds, improving housing facilities, or building partnerships with local buyers can help scale production. Some farmers also invest in processing equipment or refrigeration systems to supply poultry products to larger markets. With dedication and careful planning, broiler farming can evolve into a reliable agribusiness capable of supporting families and creating employment opportunities. Across Africa, many successful farmers began with only a few chickens before developing thriving enterprises. Broiler farming represents more than just raising chickens. It offers an opportunity for entrepreneurs to participate in one of the most important sectors of the agricultural economy. With proper planning, quality chicks, balanced nutrition, and strong farm management, even beginners can build productive poultry operations. As demand for poultry continues to grow across the continent, broiler farming will likely remain a vital source of food, income, and opportunity for many communities. If you enjoyed this guide and want to learn more about modern farming, agribusiness opportunities, and practical agricultural strategies, be sure to subscribe to FirstPost Africa Farm. By joining this channel, you will gain access to more educational farming content designed to help you succeed in agriculture. Also, let us know in the comments, are you planning to start a broiler farm? Your farming journey could begin today, and we look forward to sharing that journey with you. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next farming guide.